Let's tell you more about our renovation and densification strategy. The renovation and densification strategy is defined by the urban and architectural addition of our modular top-up units and the renovation and transformation of the existing building. The ground floor of the prototype simulates the renovation conditions of the envelope of the existing tenement flat. It showcases how the existing building envelope can be wrapped by a modular second skin that consists of 2D facade panels. These panels are made out of 2mm biocomposite sandwich panel that is filled with 150mm of recycled PET insulation. The panels are pre-assembled in a factory and come fully equipped with glazing and external finishes, guaranteeing a very accurate, lightweight, and fast placement, all resulting in reduced renovation costs. The external finish of these facades consists of brown textured brick slips that are made out of recycled construction waste. The brick placement and window divisions ensure that the important characteristics of the current architectural fabric can be maintained while innovating with new materials and maintenance schemes, creating a truly symbiotic relationship between old and new. Just like in the building design, the appearance of the top-up will be a bit different than that of the renovated building below. On the southern and western elevations, the top-up apartment has an integrated PV facade. This facade consists of chameleon solar panels that have been covered in a ceramic print that gives us greater architectural freedom and allows us to refer to the local identity of the neighborhood. For the HDU in Wuppertal, we've decided to show our hometown, the lovely city of Delft. On the facade, you see the famous cityscape of Delft that tells the story of our past, present, and future. Next to the facades, you will find our blue circulation core that has a light and transparent appearance. Unlike in the building design, the prototype circulation core is an exterior space, but it still has a multifunctional character as it acts as a social space, outdoor forum, systems room, and playground. It truly is a space for people to come together and experience all that the prototype has to offer. Are you ready to explore the rest of the prototype? In the next video, we'll tell you more about our technical room.